Welcome back to Power Hall, the channel where we dive deep into the most powerful machines ever built. Today, we're bringing you something truly iconic, the Crawler Transporter 1, or CT-1, the giant machine responsible for carrying the hopes and dreams of space exploration. Built in the 1960s by the Marion Power Shovel Company, the CT-1 is an engineering marvel that still amazes with its size, power, and precision. Originally designed to transport the mighty Saturn V rockets to the launch pad during the Apollo missions, this crawler has since been adapted for modern space vehicles like the Space Launch System. It's a symbol of sheer mechanical might combined with delicate precision, a blend that defines what we love here at Power Hall. When you look at the CT-1, the first thing that strikes you is the scale, measuring about 131 feet long and 114 feet wide, and standing nearly 20 feet tall without the mobile launcher. This machine looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Weighing around 2,700 tons, it moves on 8 massive tracks, say 2 on each corner, each track featuring 57 shoes, and each shoe weighing about 2,000 pounds. It's powered by two 2,750 horsepower diesel engines and is supported by a massive hydraulic leveling system to keep the launch platform perfectly balanced, even while traveling over uneven ground. Watching it move is almost hypnotic. It crawls at a max speed of about 1 mile per hour when loaded, but it carries payloads that weigh over 18 million pounds. One of the most fascinating things about the CT-1 is the level of engineering that goes into every single component. Each of the crawler's 8 tracks is meticulously designed to support extreme loads and maintain the stability of the rocket during its journey. The crawler's hydraulic system is a feat of its own, with hundreds of hydraulic cylinders working in unison to ensure the platform remains level, no matter how uneven the terrain may be. This balance is absolutely crucial. Even a slight tilt could cause catastrophic damage to the rocket, which is why the crawler's movement is calculated and precise to the millimeter. This kind of engineering perfection is what makes the CT-1 stand out in the world of heavy machinery, and it's exactly the kind of machine we love to showcase on Power Hall. Operating the CT-1 is a feat of its own. A team of highly trained engineers controls everything from speed to steering, constantly monitoring dozens of systems to ensure the precious cargo stays stable. The path it travels, known as the Crawler Way, is specially designed with river rock to minimize vibrations. Every journey from NASA's Vehicle Assembly Building to Launch Complex 39 covers about 3.5 miles and takes nearly 8 hours. Think about it, a whole day's careful, steady movement to make sure everything is perfectly in place for a rocket launch. Here at Power Hall, we can't help but respect the patience, precision, and teamwork involved. Another fascinating aspect of the CT-1 is its role in the historical context of space exploration. During the Apollo missions, this crawler transported the Saturn V rockets that took astronauts to the moon, marking humanity's first steps in space. Now, with the modern Artemis program, the CT-1 continues to play a vital role in NASA's missions to return astronauts to the moon. The fact that a machine built more than half a century ago is still capable of supporting missions at the cutting edge of space exploration speaks volumes about its incredible design and craftsmanship. It's not just a piece of machinery, it's a piece of history. Over the decades, the CT-1 has gone through several upgrades to keep up with new technology and heavier launch vehicles. It's incredible to see how a machine originally built in the 1960s is still relevant today, continuing to support America's ambitions in space. From Apollo to Artemis, the CT-1 remains a critical piece of the launch puzzle. Its longevity and adaptability are a testament to the brilliance of its original design. At Power Hall, we celebrate machines like the CT-1 not just for their raw strength, but for their lasting impact on human history. That's all for today's deep dive into the legendary Crawler Transporter 1. If you enjoyed exploring this giant machine with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another powerhouse review. Let us know in the comments what other massive machines you'd love us to cover next. Thanks for watching Power Hall, where big machines come to life.